Hi everyone, welcome back to Gardening from Square One. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm Lynn, and in this video we are beyond excited to share hidden gems in the gardening world. First up, a stunning hydrangea that is bursting with beauty. It's easy to grow and it deserves way more love than it appears to receive. Would you want a paniculata hydrangea that is hardy in USDA zones 4A to 9B, so it grows well in the north and in our southern gardens? It blooms on new wood. It can handle soil pH from 6.0 all the way up to 8. It has these gorgeous pillow-like large 8 to 10 inch bridal white flowers on an upright rounded shrub that will become about 6 feet in height, 5 feet in width. I think it's a Goldilocks size. It's not too large and it's not too small. It will bloom for you from summer to fall. It grows in clay, loamy, or sandy soil. It is disease, drought, humidity, and insect resistant. It also has gorgeous medium green leaves that turn brilliant yellow in the fall. What's not to love about that? And then we'll be looking at two gorgeous perennials that will add fall color and texture to your garden. So if you're interested, stick around as we explore these gorgeous plants. Let's dive in. We just viewed some beautiful hydrangeas in very inspirational gardens indeed. But today I am speaking about the White Wedding Hydrangea that is sold by many online nurseries. This hydrangea was added to the garden in November of 2024. And in comparison to my oak leaf hydrangeas and other paniculatas, this small plant with its large bridal white flower heads can be packed with as many as 300 individual flowers with 4 flat petals, and it is a standout. The images just do not do it justice. I can spot it from across the garden, and I want more. White Wedding has been impressive. Now, the White Wedding Hydrangea is part of the Southern Living Plant Collection, and it is known for its large cone-shaped white blooms that will appear throughout the summer. It is a reliable variety that is relatively low maintenance, and its sturdy stems hold the flowers upright. The blooms, like I mentioned, are a crisp white, even whiter than many of the other paniculata hydrangeas we grow here. Next, for fall color, do not miss out on asters. Now, asters grow in zones 3 through 9, and they're more than just pretty flowers. They are a low-maintenance garden superstar that is also great for beginning gardeners. Asters will come in many vibrant hues, ranging from purple to pink to white and blue, adding pops of color to your fall garden. Now, they bloom in late summer all the way to fall when so many plants are done for the season. Asters attract butterflies and bees and support pollinator populations, bringing life to your garden when many of the perennials have faded away for the season. Now, asters pair well with other late blooming perennials such as sedum, goldenrods, and ornamental grasses. Asters come in a variety of heights and colors, and they can create a beautiful layered effect in garden beds. They also make stunning cut flower arrangements, so they can add elegance to your home decor in the fall. Another plant that adds fall color that you may not want to miss out on is sedum. Now, sedum, commonly known as stonecrop, belongs to a diverse genus of succulent plants that are popular in gardens for their hardiness, low maintenance, and drought tolerance. Sedum is generally hardy in USDA zones 3 to 9, depending upon the species, of course. However, they prefer full sun, well-drained soil, and they can thrive in poor soils as well. They are an excellent choice for low-maintenance gardens, and in the fall, sedum's foliage changes colors from green to shades of red or burgundy to almost black. The flower heads transform into these broody, dark, rusty colors, which create a stunning fall display. If you like or love hydrangeas or want to add fall blooms and color to your garden, you may not want to skip over these plants. Do any of you grow this hydrangea, asters, or sedum? Please comment below and let us know your experience with these plants. Also, please consider clicking like, subscribe, and notifications. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day in your garden. Bye.